Well, hello everyone, Dave with Fitness Technology Services. So today's video is going to be on really showing you what a motor controller failure looks like. I was going through a lot of mine, testing them, retesting them, had some marked wrong, found that out the other day, but I found one that is the most common thing that a controller does when its regulator is bad and it doesn't send the correct amount of current to make the motor turn and make the belt run smoothly. Sometimes it staggers movement, sometimes it just runs too fast. So we're just going to start out here. So as you can see, it's going 1 mile an hour and it's handling that pretty good. So we're going to step up to 4. So you think this is good. That's about 4 miles an hour. We're going to step up to 5. Now I just pushed 8 and it's going 11, 9, 12 and it's only supposed to be going 8 miles an hour. So this is a really common thing for Nordictrack motor controller failure. And this issue in particular is either the motor controller, but sometimes it can be the motor. Sometimes the magnets inside of the motor don't regulate the power also, but that usually makes it run always at a full rate of speed. It doesn't wait for failure as your speed goes up. It usually just goes full blast right off the bat, which usually means a motor failure. I have a couple different videos. I'll add the link, or maybe I'll put it at the end of this video, on how to test your motor with a DC battery, and you can even test it with a 9-volt battery, so just to make sure it runs. But this is the test for the actual motor controller failure. That's a quick little video. Again, I was just testing these and I ran into this, and that's a very common problem. And I've actually had a couple requests on how do you tell that the motor controller is bad. So I thought I'd do this video. Thanks for viewing. Looking forward to doing the next video. I will see you then.